At Acadeq, we are dedicated to helping students excel in their academic journey. We understand that balancing coursework, assignments, exams, and projects can be overwhelming, and that's where we come in. Our goal is to provide comprehensive academic assistance across a wide range of subjects, ensuring students achieve their best results. What we offer: homework help, stock on difficult assignments. Our subject matter experts guide you through complex problems to ensure timely and accurate completion of homework. Lab report writing. Lab reports can be tricky. Our professionals assist you in presenting data, analyzing results, and writing clear, well-structured lab reports. Quiz and exam preparation. Preparing for quizzes and exams can be stressful. We help students focus on key concepts, review materials effectively, and practice exam questions to build confidence. Project support. Semester or final year projects, no problem. We offer support for both undergraduate and graduate level projects in various domains, ensuring you meet academic standards. Data analysis. Python, R, Scala. Whether it's Python, R, or Scala, our experts provide assistance in data analysis, guiding you through complex datasets and statistical methods to generate meaningful insights. Data visualization. Power BI, Tableau. Presenting data effectively is essential. We help students master data visualization tools like Power BI and Tableau to create impactful presentations and dashboards. Machine learning. Delve into advanced topics like machine learning with expert guidance. From building algorithms to data training, we help you navigate these cutting-edge technologies. Software or simulation projects. Get help with software development or simulation-based projects. We provide support for coding, debugging, and optimizing performance. Thesis writing support. Writing a thesis can be a daunting task. We offer personalized assistance in structuring, writing, and proofreading your thesis, ensuring you meet academic standards while maintaining originality. Research paper assistance. Need help with research papers? We guide you through the process of selecting a topic, conducting research, structuring your paper, and ensuring proper citation and plagiarism-free work. Why choose Acadeq? Experienced team, personalized support, timely delivery, affordable pricing, data security. Contact us. Website www.acadeq.com. Follow us on social media for more updates and tips at Acadeq Official. Stay ahead in your academics with Acadeq, your trusted partner for all things academic.